Hey guys, so today I'm deciding for this video I'm gonna be decorating my iPad basically. Not just like, I don't really know what else to do decorating wise like for it other than just to put stickers on this side, and like this side is just blank. But I got this iPad back in September and it was a birthday gift for me, basically. I got it for myself. And I also got the Apple Pencil as well. And I don't know, I was like, I don't know what to make this week. I'm gonna be making a FNAF review. I posted it on Twitter that I was doing it, except I want to watch it a fourth time. And I would like to watch it a fourth time before I like completely like, you know, just upload a video of like a review of it basically. But that's up to next week. We don't know. Maybe I won't watch it a fourth time in theaters. Maybe I'll just make the review eventually by next week. But for this week, I did want to make a decorating my iPad, not just appearance wise, because I mean you can't really do a lot with this. But I mean like the interior, basically wallpaper, editing the icons. I keep my iPad on mute. I don't get FaceTime, so no ringtones, but we will just figure out today how to make it look cute, you know. And the aesthetic I really want is cute Hello Kitty. It could be Sanrio, all of the Sanrio characters, I don't know, but I want to make it cute and just kind of maybe Y2K aesthetic, I don't know, but we're just gonna go I don't know, we're just gonna go with whatever I think is cute. This tutorial is gonna be basically for anyone who doesn't know how to edit things. I know how to edit only on my iPhone. I assume it's the same for iPads, but I'm gonna show you guys my iPhone. I'm literally recording on it, but I'm gonna show maybe like a little video in this side of what my iPhone looks like. It's aesthetic. I have like 10 different wallpapers, and then I have it's like a dark aesthetic on my phone. It's kind of random too, because I feel like I like cute things, but the aesthetic on my phone, like the icons and everything, are very dark and they don't match my personality. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to decorate your iPad today, interior wise. For lock screens, I recommend using Pinterest. Every time I look on Google Images, this just does not work. So, recommend going on Pinterest, and when I look at all my little FNAF pictures, see, as you can see, I have already looked up iPad wallpaper pink. These are kind of mid, you know. I think I could get down with this cat one, but like, they're just really mid. So I would recommend, I recommend just using Pinterest for image or wallpaper searching for cute aesthetic things. I'm just gonna find one on here just for this video. Okay, so I just decided to give up and just work with this wallpaper that I already have, even though it's not really fall. In my brain, it's like winter. But we're gonna take off that, the color wash, and I'm gonna edit this and make it, I guess, I'll make it like more bold. I'll still make it pink, and then I'll click done. I'm okay with that. I'm kind of vibing with it. And now the background's a little bit more lighter instead of like a dark pink. So let's see, I'm gonna look up some apps that are like, what's it called? They have like widgets. So I have Widget Smith on my phone actually, so I'll download that. What is this? Pet. Okay, maybe we'll have a pet on the iPad, that's fine. I guess I've downloaded it before. We'll just stick with those. Oh, there's a Hello Kitty one. Okay. I'll download this one and maybe we can write something cute on it. Alright, we'll work with these. So, I'm gonna start deleting this one. And I like this one, but I want like a different aesthetic. I would like a different widget for this one. Alright, we'll just remove it for now. I always think it's funny that like when you're editing the home screen, they start shaking because it just feels like they're so scared of getting deleted. But anyways, I deleted some of the apps and then some of them I removed from the home screen because like I use them but not as much. Like for instance, I don't use Google Docs. Spotify I do use, so it's gonna go over here. I think I want to make it like kind of like my phone where I have like a big backdrop of like something right here like to look at that's cute. So let me find something to put. Okay, so I found some pictures that I liked and we're just gonna add them basically. And I found an extra large one. So we're gonna put this one here, but it's not extra large. Okay, I'll change the photo for that one, but I think we're gonna stay with the same like aesthetic I was trying to go for. Oops. I need another one. So I like these pictures, although I think the third one I could change, but we'll just stay with this and then I'll change this one. So first of all, I know this is a really big jump from what I was doing, but I put this picture up here, right, and then these three pictures, and then on Pinterest you can look up like app icon. So if you're looking for like a specific aesthetic, there are people who will just upload basically their icon sometimes. These are different like styles of pink or like variants of the color pink basically. Sorry, I don't know why I said styles, but they're basically different variations of pink. I like that. I know there's people who this will bother their eyes because it's not the same pinks. But I like it because I like every kind of pink, so this isn't like bad to me. But just so you guys know, there's a way to change the app icons, and you know, let me see if I can explain. So you go to shortcuts, right? These are all the ones I just made. But you'll click on the plus up here, and then you click on app, open app, and then tap right here where it says app. You pick an app. Let's say I'll pick, I don't know, Chrome. You go to the top right, this little like eye with a circle. Click on add to home screen,
and then you type in the name right here, and then you click on the like blue, like the icon, and then it'll ask you if you want to change the photo, and then you click add, and it's gonna add it to your home screen. And yeah, I mean that's just what I did. And so then another thing at the bottom, it was bothering me how like it was showing like suggested and recent apps in like the dock. So I just turned those off, and now it's just like I don't get to see all that at the bottom that was like bothering me. So now I just have like those apps at the bottom. For the pictures, yes, I did use this app right here, the Widgetsmith. Widgetable, I have not even added that. Then we have the notepad, the Hello Kitty notepad. What is this? Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna type something. I'm trying to think of something cute. Little motivational thing. I'm just gonna look it up on my computer. Motivational quotes. What if I look up funny motivational quotes? Okay, these are not that funny. Let me just look up motivational quotes for work or something. Alright, I'm gonna write stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Okay, that's cute, right? I don't know. I like it. So save. Alright. I mean, I guess you could type like way more, but I don't know. I don't want to. Let's see. There we go. So there's like this one. This one looks like it can fit right here. Maybe we can find like a longer one. Oh, but it's too big. Never mind. But like that's good enough for me. I think that's cute. You could add stuff to it, or maybe I can edit it actually, so that maybe save. Yeah, like I could definitely add more, but this is just like I can't really think of anything right now. I'll probably add something goofy later. But you can remove these apps so that you don't delete them, obviously, or else they're just not gonna work. Anyways, this is just what I have to offer, and I don't know. I hope you guys, learned something or had fun while I was doing this. But yeah, this is my aesthetic for my iPad now. So thank you for watching, and I hope you'll watch next time.